So I'm taking this video for the first bit of this video, if that makes sense, because I know what to tell you in summary of the walk. So we've encountered a few animals on the way and some creepy crawlies, but most of all some beautiful cliff sides and also some beautiful waterfalls made by tree roots and rock. So look forward to this video and comment below what you think. Basically, I will remember to put the location in the description, I promise, if I remember. You're willing. Big cliff. Oh look. Wow. Oh my god.
Great space monkeys.
Are they dangerous?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Let me film it.
Hey, no.
Woo. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's some in the sky.
Wow. Babe, be careful with your phone. Hi.
Should we go up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go first.
Look, you want to read it?
Are they there?
Oh,
Wow, look.
a baby there.
Little baby. Wow. Ooh. Ah. Bad cameraman. Are you sure?
Yeah, look.
We can go this way? What's up top? Oh, babe. I want to go see.
Okay.
Maybe we get cornered by the monkeys. I don't know. There is steps coming down there. Yeah, wow. Okie dokie, let's go for it. Yeah, I don't really like the idea. Look, there you are. That's what's at the end. I don't really know what's hiding in the cracks, so yeah, not for me. What are the monkeys at it again? Swinging on those trees in the canopy. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that rock. Or should I say cliff edge? Look out for some more monkeys. Oh, I see a waterfall. Wow. Thailand tea colour in the water. What a beautiful walk. I'll put the location in the description. So, oh, there's more monkeys. Oh, did you see them? Monkeys over there. I think they're following us. Or it might be a different family, who knows? Look at this. I'm actually really wary of snakes just hanging down to say a hello. I don't really want that, if I'm honest. Like off the Jungle Book. I don't know what the snake's name is, but I don't want that happening to me. So instead of filming, I'm gonna use my eyes to look for some animals that I don't really want to say hello to myself. Hope you're enjoying the video. I like sharing this kind of content. Jesus is Lord. He created all of these things. All this creation is from him. 1 John in the New Testament, go read it. Very beautiful that I know where all this comes from. Where all this comes from and who made it. I personally have the Creator as a friend. It's amazing. Look at that. It's a little hut. Hey all, so we've just got to the swimming area. As you can see. And I don't really want to. We'll just enjoy the view. Hey everyone, so basically we're just here chilling, me and Mio, and we spotted something. Wow, this is why I'm so careful not just to look at my feet and things on my own eye level. Wait there, I'll show you now. Oh. Whoa. Can you see it? Maybe a photo will be better. I'll take a photo. Wow, look at that. What's that? Guys and girls, beware of the jungle. It's my wife. It's my wife. Lizard on it. Oh, little fish. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Where's that lizard gone? There's a lizard somewhere. Oh, look at that butterfly. Do you see that? Butterfly. I need to start pronouncing my T's. English guy. Just to give you a little bit of history. This man here was the previous king to the one that we have today in Thailand, the Thai king. And I say we, I'm pretty much I'm married to a Thai, so... And when he visited this place, he planted a tree. I don't want to say the name of the tree because I'll butcher the name. Jamaica tree. There you are, that's my best attempt. And I'm going to show you it now. There it is. Okay everyone, there's quite a few trees around this area. That looked like they were planted by royalty. So, okay, they released some tortoises as well whilst they were here. All explained on the boards and for you to come and visit. So, please, brain, just remind me or remember to put the location of this place in the description for you guys. If I don't, I do apologise, and remind me yourself, and I'll reply with the location. Oh, look at that beautiful creature.